If you're passionate about automation, robotics, and smart manufacturing, and you've already started earning credentials from the Smart Automation Certification Alliance, and if you want to have a high-demand career with a ton of growth potential, then it's time to look at the Automation Leadership degree from UW-Stout. The only program of its kind, this degree equips you to become the kind of technology-driven leader who helps companies modernize through automation, smart manufacturing, and industrial innovation. And here's the best part. You can apply up to 88 transfer credits towards your bachelor's degree, including the certifications and coursework you're earning right now. Here's the 5-step process to earning your Automation Leadership degree. Step 1. Complete your SACA core classes. You'll start by earning foundational SACA certifications through your high school or technical college. These certifications are aligned to nationally recognized standards for Industry 4.0 technologies and prove your skills in areas like mechatronics, industrial controls, industrial robotics, and other advanced manufacturing technologies. These certifications will transfer directly to UW-Stout as 40 credits of core coursework. Step 2. Complete your general education courses. If you've already taken classes like English, math, or science at a technical or community college, those gen eds can transfer into the Automation Leadership degree, up to 27 credits. Step 3. Complete SACA professional level certifications. In addition to the core SACA certifications, you can also earn up to 21 more credits for earning SACA professional level certifications. These courses dive deeper into smart manufacturing and Industry 4.0 technologies, getting into more advanced topics and troubleshooting, systems integration, and the industrial Internet of Things. If you complete those first 3 steps, you'll have earned 88 transfer credits from any technical or community college or high school without paying a single dime of university tuition. Step 4. Complete your core Automation Leadership classes at UW-Stout. This is where UW-Stout will add leadership skills to your technical foundation. You'll complete 19 credits of core coursework that includes classes like digital transformation, Internet of Things and operations, project management, organizational leadership, and lean manufacturing. You'll also complete an Automation Leadership internship and a final capstone project. These courses are all about learning how to lead projects, manage systems, and prepare you to drive innovation in a modern industrial environment. Step 5. Complete any remaining general education courses online. If you still have a few gen ed requirements to finish for the degree, no problem. UW-Stout lets you complete them entirely online. When you've completed these 5 steps, you'll graduate with a Bachelor of Science in Automation Leadership from one of the top polytechnic universities in the country. You'll be ready to lead in careers at the intersection of technology and industry, from engineering and operations to automation strategy and digital transformation. And you'll get there by building on the skills you're already learning today. So even if you're still in high school, you can start leveraging those SACA certifications to create a pathway to a great career in automation leadership.